In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change chat theme on Instagram on both Android and iOS devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. Then just tap right here to head over to your conversations. And then if you would like to change chat theme in a certain conversation, first off you need to open up that conversation. Then tap right here at the very top, add the user's name. And that's where we can easily find theme. Now it says default, however, we can select any theme from that list. Here are a lot of different themes, and then let's say I would like to use that one. All you have to do is just tap at that theme and it will be immediately set as a theme for a particular conversation. And also down below it will say that you change the theme to the name of your theme, and then also you will be able to tap right here to select different one. I'm gonna try that one. And guys, that's how you can easily change theme on a conversation on Instagram on both Android and iOS devices. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.